Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export a constant contact list to Excel. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your constant contact account. And once you're in here, go to the left panel and click on Contacts. All right, click on it. And in here, you have List and Segments. All right, as the title suggests, we're going to export a list. Well, let's just click on it. Now in here, select the list that you wanted to export. All right, for example, this one, my contacts. Okay, what we'll do is just go ahead and click on the box beside it. And here we have actions, but we don't have the option to export. All right, the three dots right here, as you can see, we now have the export button. So just click on it. Now select the fields that you want to include onto your CSV or Excel file, and then just click on export. And as you can see here, it says your contacts are being exported. You can go ahead and view the progress. Click on view progress. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, we now have the contact list. All right. For example, this one, as you can see, status is completed. And then you can go ahead and select either download as a CSV or download Excel. Click on download Excel. Wait for it. And here we have the download page. Go ahead and save it wherever you want. And then you can go ahead and rename it if you want to as well. All right. And once that's done, just hit on save. Wait for it to finish. Click on it if you want to, or go ahead and open up the folder. And as you can see here, we have it here in my desktop. I'm going to double click on it just for you to see. And here you have the data. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.